Welcome back to our Q&A. So today we are still having Dr. Marvin Ouyang with us to talk more about Cyagen's humanized mouse model. Marvin, thank you for being here.
Yeah, it's my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
What advantages does the humanized mouse model offer over traditional mouse model in experiments?
Absolutely. The humanized mouse model presents several compelling advantages over traditional models, particularly in preclinical research. By incorporating human cells, tissues, or genes into the mouse model, we can closely mimic human physiology and pathology, providing more clinical relevant insights into human diseases.
Fascinating. So can you elaborate on how Cyagen's humanized mouse models, like the HUGO-Ab model, are advancing research in therapeutic antibody discovery?
Of course, Cyagen's HUGO-Ab mouse model is a prime example of cutting-edge innovations in this field. With complete VDJ variable regions, it ensures genetic diversity and low immunogenicity, effectively mirroring the human immune response. It has been shown that after being stimulated by the corresponding antigen, the HUGO-Ab mouse can produce an antibody containing a human variable region portion against the antigen, along with a constant region of a mouse antibody. Studies have shown that the antibodies obtained through HUGO-Ab mouse have a more effective affinity and activity compared with human antibodies obtained by other approach. This enables the production of high-affinity antibodies at picomolar levels, meeting industry standards with precision.
Impressive. How do these models contribute to accelerating the drug development process?
Humanized mouse models allow for predictive evaluation of potential drug candidates, enabling researchers to assess efficacy and safety before advancing to human trials. This mitigates the risk of failure in clinical trials while expediting drug development significantly.
It's clear that these models have broad applications. Can you speak to their versatilities across different research areas?
Absolutely. Humanized mouse models find applications across a spectrum of research areas, from studying human-specific diseases like cancer and infectious diseases to testing novel immunotherapies and personalized medicine approaches. Leveraging Cyagen's model empowers researchers to gain profound insights into disease mechanisms and develop more effective therapeutic interventions.
Thank you, Marvin, for sharing your insights into the humanized mouse model, and it's really been enlightening.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, my audience, for being here with us today. We'll see you next time.
See you.